Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler with Restart Physical Therapy. I started my own practice 1 year ago, so sales is completely different and new to me. I'm used to having a front desk or a marketing team come and bring patients to me. Instead, now I have to go out and reach out to patients on my own, which has been a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. I honestly don't like marketing because I don't like being pushy when it comes to selling anything, especially if the person I'm talking to isn't ready to buy anything yet. I tried reading books about sales, podcasts, and just all their methods just seem to conflict with how I am, what my personality is, and how I like to communicate with people. Going to Lenka and Harry's workshop was very insightful and helped me discover how I can approach sales without being pushy or being perceived like I just want to get someone into my clinic. I have a really long way to go, but they definitely helped pave that path of where I want to go as a business owner and a member of my community. So if you're like me and don't like sales, Lenka and Harry give a much kinder and more genuine approach to sales than anyone I've ever listened to, and I would highly recommend you reach out to them to start your journey with sales.